moving in. That's that control arm. It's got movement in it. The whole engine moves up. There's a lot of engine movement. But that whole engine really rocks forward. And that control arm, if you watch there, there's a lot of movement. It's just flopping around in there. So I think between the two of those, this is giving you movement, and then the engine mount is giving you movement up and down. That whole engine starts to vibrate in there. The movement at that CV joint, there really wasn't that much movement there at all. So, not the CV joint. I think it's that control arm starts it shaking, and then the engine mount allows that engine to continue shaking.